Hi guys, this is Sogand. Welcome back to the channel. Today I want to teach you the pattern of a white daisies. I really like white daisies. If you like it too, let's go. Start with the magic ring and chain 3. 1, 2, 3 chains. Please crochet an even number of double crochets. I'm going to crochet 20 double crochets. Okay, crochet chain 3 and 20 double crochets in this ring. At the end, pull the tail in to tighten. At the end, make a slip stitch in third chain. Chain 1, cut the yarn off. Please take your white color of yarn. Add your white color. Pull through. Now I'm going to crochet chain 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Skip one chain. Insert your hook in second chain to make a single crochet. Make a half double crochet in next chain. Make 7 double crochets in next 7 chains. This is my 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Make a half double crochet in next chain and make a single crochet in last chain. Make a single crochet in last chain. Make a single crochet in next stitch. Chain 12 and repeating all stitches. Keep going. I crocheted all around and make a slip stitch in first stitch. Every like and comment inspires us to create more. So don't forget to like, share your thoughts and subscribe to the channel. We truly appreciate you. See you soon!